Woo! RE engine. Let's get it. Yes, this is a new mic, so let's sound a lot closer without having, autosave features. Ah! Resident Evil 4, the chainsaw demo. I'm not a horn dog, but let's get straight into the video. What is up, guys? This is Chaos, back with another video, and welcome to Resident Evil 4, the chainsaw demo. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting so long to play this, I don't even know. Bro, I remember when I was watching a couple YouTubers, and like, not even that, my father was telling me stories, and I actually played Resident Evil 4 on like a PS4, I believe. It was like a couple years ago, and the old style Resident Evil 4, ooh, it was so good. And this is the remake. Look at the graphics. Main story, new game. Let's just get straight into it. So basically, you see this activate windows, go to settings and activate windows. We're gonna have to rock with that for a couple of things, because I'm not trying to pay $139 for another key. Alright, let's listen.
It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was
So did my will to live, but here we are.
To the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night, the pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
I remember, yo. Oh my gosh, yo, I remember, bro. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. Special Agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma cannot prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find here. Space to start. Woo! Look at these graphics! Hold up. Yo, where is it at? Where's not even the controls? Camera. No, where's the sensitivity? Because it said camera sensitivity. Wow. There we go. There we go. This is better. See what's taking so long. Wait, can we go back? Yo, yes we can. Yo, usually be those guys be like, hey, come on guys, come on. Let's get in the car now. Come on guys, let's drive. Woo! Look at this lighting. Look at our boy. See, I wish I could look so sexy and handsome like that, but let's continue going. Don't know what that is, but it's probably Satan. I don't worship demons, but that looks like a demon to me. Is that a child? Oh, that's a statue of Blake. So you really just got a... Like, thanks, Capcom. You really just got a child just laying out here. I'm about to say, that's when they get crazy real fast. I was like, hey, yo, you can't just be leaving children out here. Okay, what does it sound like? Why does it sound like I'm already gonna have to fight before, like, already starting to get rid of this? Look at the little feet movements. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, they're definitely worshiping Satan. Definitely. I don't know who else would leave a deer out there and just completely like they're bloody dead. Ugh. They're probably cannibals, whoever exists within this premises. Eat a crouch. What kind of booty mechanics is this? You know what? I haven't even played the game yet. Let's just go. Ooh, oh my gosh, this looks beautiful. Oh my gosh, yo! Wait, can we like explore the other parts of the house? Yo, okay. Look at the movement when you're running near an object and he just quietly dodges it, bro. Like, oh, we already know his combat game's about to be just. Ooh, his combat game's about to just be finessed. Alright. I have not seen anything about this yet. Like, I haven't seen any of the story. I've played the original game on the PS4, so I just gotta hope that this lives up to my expectations, so it's probably better. I hope that we go through that church scene. That's what I'm thinking about. Where he goes like, where'd everybody
Anyone
go?
home?
Bingo. Oh, yep. Anyone home? Hey, 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 let me out! Okay. They're not letting me out. So, I don't feel like, yeah, is there anything down here yet, boys? Wait, can I see anything through there yet? Oh, let's go through that door. Let's actually see what's in there real quick. Alright. F. I could see F to interact with items. Alright. Where's anything? See what the activate windows is in a black bar sitting there. I hate that. Oh, pfft. Yeah, they're definitely. Oh wait, there's something there. See Accelerel Juicio. Judgment is nigh. Oh yeah, this is Spanish. I do not understand. Like, come on, está shoddy, but like that's about it. Yeah, let's run through this. I ain't afraid of nothing. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. We ain't talking Ghostbuster either. Yeah, I know that joke was corny, but let's get it. Alright. Huh? Oh, this is cutscene. Alright. Come on, Leon. Show us what you're made of. Oh! Bro, he just appeared out of nowhere.
Sorry to barge in like this.
Yeah, he's definitely summoning demons. He's just, it was whack when I showed the initial lock and
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
What's that? Uh-oh! Mario Judah! Hey, yo! There's no way he just parried that! No way! Oh! Yeah, he's dead!
This is not good.
If he gets back up, I don't know what's wrong with him. Yeah, rest in peace, Mario Judah. Alright. Yo! There's no way he just... There's no way his neck is just gone. What was he actually cooking? Was he whipping in the... No, don't let bro cook! Is that hair? Don't let bro cook! This ain't Food Wars, but I'm not hungry anymore. Alright, let's go. Yeah, give me that. Baby, come through. Open that door. Alright. Bro, what in the Klong Bong is this? Oh, never mind. Oh, wait, where am I? Oh. Leon, can you like turn around to the camera for 1 second, please? Just stop moving. Turn to the camera, please. Demon. Alright, let's go. Yo, they really are. Rat, you almost got shot up, boy. That rat toe almost got shot, so let's get it. To activate windows, I hate it, bro.
Hey.
Oh yeah, he's dead.
I read you. What's your situation?
Wilhelm scream. He's dead.
What the hell's going on?
Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely escaping now. Ready weapon in. Shoot.
What was that?
What I got to shoot? Hold up. Somebody's coming from the left. Hey. He got the gun!
Way.
Me! Junk! There's no stagger at all. He's just walking through shots.
It just keeps getting worse.
Yeah, what you doing, buddy? What you doing, buddy? Yeah, he just... Okay. Yeah, Leon. Yeah, let's get out of here quick. Through here. Hey, hey, hey! What are you talking about? Was it melee? Oh! Where's the other one? I swear there was another one. Mink! Oh, I missed! I missed! Parry! Oh! Get up. I'm gonna lay you flatter than a platypus. We ain't talking parry either. Yeah. Go, go, go. Alright, it's not gonna do here. Let's get it. That's the president's daughter, I believe.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's
Shoddy.
daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Isn't that the Baker family?
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are... Gotta go. Talk later. I'll let myself out.
We. Oh, size me up again, boy, and see what happened. Okay. Head for the lake. Yeah, that's where I'm about to be heading. Yo, look at the scenery. Yeah, don't drop down there, my boy, or else you gonna wind up, you know, getting flattened by like gravity. Cause look, I didn't kill you. The force of gravity did. So technically, I'm not the murderer. All right, what to do? Mink. Give me that handgun ammo. Ooh, +1. What does that mean? Don't know, but I hope it's something good. Oh, I was about to say we could save in a demo. How long is the demo? All right, gunpowder. Let's get it. Yep, I hear them speaking Spanishese over there, so I'm gonna go walk over here. Cause who's trying to mess with them? Not me. Handgun ammo. Uh-huh. Yeah, across the stand. Yeah, isn't there supposed to be like, is there like another part over here that I could get to? Oh, that was the other part. I just walked back there twice. There we go. Mink. What that? Pesetas? Pesetas? I don't know what that is. Somebody in the comments, please help me. What the? Did I just parry a pitchfork? Get backhanded! Mink! Space. Ooh! Parry! Knock! Alright. This game is... This Resident Evil remake, I parried a pitchfork, then proceeded to blast him. I parried a pitchfork. Uh-oh.
Damn it.
Yeah, I'm surprised he didn't just say, alright, kids, I'm coming home. Bro, what's over here? Yup. He parried a pitchfork and then proceeded to give the nastiest hook ever. Oh, Mink! Monk! Try getting up. Nope. And this is why you crippled. Sit there. Ooh, flash grenade. I'm gonna take that. Hold on, what's that? Red herb? Uh-huh. We know. We can start getting the crafting. This ain't Minecraft either. Alright, let's go. Alright. I'm looking through the gates of hell. What just fell? Huh. Yep, this is where they burn him at the cross, I believe. In the name of the Lord. Let's see what they do. Oh, cutscene. Is this cutscene? Yep. Holy shit. Are they praising the fire? Oh, I can close out of this now. Okay, so what am I gonna do? Okay, so what am I supposed to do here? Is this? Yep, stealth kill. I'm gonna take that gunpowder. Alright. What else can I do over here? There's a whole town filled with these goonies. Anything in here? Gunpowder? Alright.
Here we go.
Wait, what? What you mean, here we go? Fight them off! Shut up, lady! Get backhanded! And just because you're a woman? I'm missing my shots. Never mind. Not anymore. Me. Oh. Yeah. Who you pulling up? Miss me. Never want to kiss me. Oh! I'm not dealing with it. Take this. I'm not the only one that saw me shoot that hatchet, right? Me. Yep. Okay. Harry. So it appears to be that I'm dying. There's physically no way. Harry! Now I'm trying to put up. What the? What's this? Hey, yo, chainsaw demon! So basically, this is where I die. Out my way, fool. Miss. Alright, I need to get some more. I need a house. 2-story house. He cut his own boy in half! Go. Yup. Bro, I don't have a key. Bro, back up! Go. I think this is a cutscene, right? Yup. This music?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me?
I think we could. Yep. Lucky for me, because I got to experience this. First aid spray. I'm gonna take that. See, guys, this is where I take my exit. Not wasting. Kick that down. I make my stand here.
You gotta be kidding me.
I'm peeling the chainsaw!
Present for you.
Huh? Hey, hey.
La campana.
What is this?
I'll give you the flag.
Yup, the bell.
Los invoca. Tenemos que servir. Al Lord Sadler Todopoderoso.
Where's everybody? Bingo? Come on, you have to say that line. Come on, I know it.
Where's everyone going?
Going.
Bingo?
Yeah! 22 enemies killed. I know I did. Yup. Got 24th. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of the demo for Resident Evil 4 Village remake. If you, well, it's not remake, I think it's remastered, I believe. I don't know, I gotta do some more research on that. But if you guys want to see me come back and actually do this as a full series, you already know what to do. Like, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also make sure you hit the bell and make sure you put it on all notifications, that way you know you never miss another chaotic video like this. And I will catch you guys later.